Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Railgun token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Railgun is a smart contract system that provides privacy and security to cryptocurrency and DeFi users via zero knowledge proofs ZK Snark technology using Railgun ensures your wallet addresses will be removed from your actions and transactions on blockchains where previously your information was publicly available for anyone to view. Railgun users will enjoy privacy when trading using leverage platforms and adding liquidity with decentralized application dApps. As Railgun sites directly on the Ethereum mainnet, it removes the security risk and extra step associated additional layer to infrastructure such as trust in third parties. A number of ERC20 token can be used straight away, such as Real USDC, REN BTC, REN ZEC, and more. Additional token can and will be added via governance vote. Railgun project institution rating is 4.4 and this project audited by Hacken. Railgun token total supply is 57.5 million and circulating supplies around 14.79 million Rail token. Rail token is listed on XC.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.